Hello, I'm Dr. Yaiesh.
And I am Dr. Tariq Al-Shaiji, and we are pleased to be joining you at this year's International Continence Society annual meeting. Our workshop is titled Avoiding Overtreatment in Functional Urology, Recognizing When Less is More.
So in functional urology, escalation of treatment is often a natural progression. When one option fails, we move on to the next. And in many cases, that is entirely appropriate.
However, not all patients benefit from continued escalation. And actually, in some cases, it may lead to limited benefit or sometimes unnecessary risk.
In this workshop, we will explore this challenge through a series of carefully selected real-world cases involving lower urinary tract symptoms and complex functional presentations.
In fact, we do have multiple scenarios where guideline-based pathways are not always sufficient and clinical judgment becomes essential. We will be focusing on key decision points, when to proceed with further intervention, and when a more conservative or measured approach may be more appropriate.
The session will be interactive, incorporating audience polling and structured discussions. We will also aim to highlight areas of clinical uncertainty where differing perspectives may exist.
So, if you ever questioned whether the next step in management is truly necessary or how best to navigate complex or refractory cases, we look forward to having you join us.
See you there.